Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make carrot sugar scrub bars. Step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Let's get straight to today's video. I already washed my carrots, so I'm going to go ahead and peel them up. And then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the heads. I'm going to quickly discard my peels and then I'll rewash my carrots. I'm now going to go ahead and dry my carrots with my kitchen towel here. And then moving on, right here I have my grater. As usual, I'm going to use the coarse part of my grater over here to grate my carrots. You can use the fine part. So I'm going to go ahead and spread my carrots around on my plate evenly, and then you can go ahead and dry these carrots using sunlight, direct sunlight, for 3 to 4 days and make sure they're dry, or you can use a microwave to dry them up. It's a must to dry these carrots. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my soap. I have my soap here. It's this brand that I used in my other video. So what I'm going to do is to use the coarse part of my grater again to grate this. Let's go ahead and do that. And then right here in my jug I have 150 ml of water. Now moving on, I'm going to be melting my soap. I have my tiny pot here. I'm going to go ahead and fire up my stove. And then I'm going to go in with my water. So I started with this little amount here because I don't know exactly how much I'm going to need. That is 150 ml. Maybe I'll need more. I'm now going to go ahead and add my soap in. And then I'm going to use my spoon here to mix it until it's melted. What I love about this soap is that it melts super quick. But then again, it thickens really fast. And like I said in my other video, if you are good at using a double boiler to melt your soap, go ahead and do that. I tried it once in one of my videos and it took forever, so I don't do that anymore. It looks like I'm going to need a little more water. So right here I have another 100 ml. Let me just add it bit by bit. Just make sure you don't add the water once, because you don't want to make this so thin. It should be thick and runny. You see how it is? Now this is the thickness. It's more like butter for pancake. Don't make it so thin. So moving on, I have my carrots here. I'm actually trying to remove these really large pieces that the grater missed, so they didn't dry. And after you dry your carrots using the microwave, just make sure that you let them cool completely. As you can hear, my carrots are dry. Make sure you dry your carrots. If you use raw carrots, your soap will get moldy. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots to my soap over here on my stove. And then another thing that I'm going to need is some sugar. This is a scrub, so I'm going to need some sugar. I'm going to go in with a 1/4 cup, that's just 4 tablespoons. Let me go ahead and fire up my stove again and mix this up together. I'm going to go ahead and mix this sugar in until it dissolves. This looks really yummy. Like a yogurt. I have the urge to taste it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my dry carrots in and then I'll mix it up. I feel like this is just now okay. I'll turn off my stove. And then moving on, right here I have this margarine containers that I always use. You can use a soap mold. I'm going to go ahead and quickly wipe them up with my towel here. So this is how my soap looks. It actually changed the color to yellow. This is what I have here. Now what I'm going to do is to pat it to release the air bubbles in it, so our soap is compact. Now moving on, I'm going to freeze this for at least 24 hours. If you don't have a freezer, you can just set them somewhere for 24 hours so it can rest, cool and thicken up. So moving on, now this is how my soap looks. And look at that. This is Abby Sunday. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this particular sugar scrub bar, and check out my other soap recipes on my channel. I'm going to link down the playlist of my beauty recipes so you can check them out. If you're looking for long lasting carrot oil, I already did 2 videos on that. And thanks for watching and kindly subscribe, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.